Good morning all. The date is the 21st of the 3rd 2022, currently on GBPJPY on the 30-minute time frame. I previously marked my charts over the weekend, where we can see here on this 1 hour level here. We also had a zone I'd put on here, which was a resistance zone that I put on, and then it obviously price broke up towards the end of Friday. No trades placed on Friday, and then we got that pullback towards the end of Friday and the close for the weekend. Into Asia, we got that drop back down towards the 50. I anticipated price on my weekly review video that I posted to come back down to test this level here around the 156.632 level, or even so to this now support level here, which was around the 156.456 level. This is what I was looking for price to pull back down to these levels, respect these levels, and look for that entry in to go long. My patience failed me, so coming in towards London, I seen this rejection here on the 30-minute time frame, with then the following candle, which was this bullish candle here. We had a bit of a wick on there, but I entered and price continued to take me out for a 20 pip stop. So going back to my overall bias, which didn't change at this point because my overall analysis was to retest these levels, so my overall bias was still long. I waited then because a bit annoyed with myself, to be honest, because obviously I've gone against my plan here, entering here. So I waited, and then we got the rejection in respect to this level here, and then I was unsure whether I should wait for that signal candle and drop down to the lower time frame. But I think why I entered on the close of this bearish candle at this level of resistance here, I think I had the aggressive entry because of this. Emotions got the better of me, but I'm glad I did enter, obviously, because price after there shot up. We pushed up straight through at TP1, so I've moved my second position, my stops to break even, so we've closed out there for the 20 pip profit, and then I've got my runner running as we speak. What I'll do now is carry on managing my trade, which I'll drop down to the 15-minute time frame and I'll manage it from here. What's my forecast? My forecast is to see price possibly retest the break of structure here on my trend line, or even at the level I've got here, my 1 hour level. Possible retest here, then push up hopefully to overall target, which is at the 157.650 round that level. So yeah, what I'll do is I'll do a video like I usually do again tomorrow, and we'll review today's trades and the potential for positions to be placed tomorrow, and we'll cover all that in the next video. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I look forward to tomorrow's video. I hope you enjoy your trading. Don't forget to manage your risk at all times, and good luck.